Morning, everyone. Um, my name is Uncle Tevin, as you know, and today I wanted to give you an update of how things are going on here at the goat pen. Recently, we have had some rains, and it was really nice because that meant we will have a lot of grass. And as you can see, there are a lot of green grasses now. So the goats are really enjoying because they'll have enough food. And you can see just how healthy they are. Uh, we are really taking a good care uh, of them so that they can continue growing up very well, so that we can all enjoy having them around in a good health. And today we'll be doing a little bit of cleaning also around so that they can have a good surrounding. Thank you and bye for now.